Hello everyone, here's Juicy from Restaurant Packaging. We specialize in packaging design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you airfoam pulp tray. Look at here. It is made by water-press frost cooking pulp with black toner, and which is molded by this shape. It doesn't need to extra cost to make. As you can see, it is very smooth in the surface, and on the other side, it has some mesh texture. In addition, there is a groove to press the product. It has a good holding effect to the product. Of course, if you want to design other color pulp tray package, as long as you provide panel color number for us, we can design it for you. In addition, our products has achieved zero pollution, zero addition, and zero emission in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused. Including defective products can also be recycled, truly assure the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. And if you're interested in our products, welcome to contact with us and get a free sample. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!